Hello friends, welcome back to Netcode-Hub channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a new feature which was introduced in version 8.0, that is C#. And the name of that feature is called Null Coalescing Assignment Operator. So what is Null Coalescing Assignment Operator? This actually checks for null. So if a variable indicated or if a variable identified it is null, then you can display something. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this to understand this with practical aspect. If we check the main program, I have int a is equal to null. So this is before C# version 8 was released. So we used to write int a equal to null. Now if you want to check this, if a is null, then display 0. So you want to check if a is null, then display 0. And you can see we are having a lot of this, so we are having all this code by using this if statement to check. So first of all, let me comment this. So Control K and C, and now let's run this and see what we have now. So currently A is null, so you can see it is displaying 0. Let's set this to 100. Save this and let's run it. So alright, so if A is null, display this. Okay. So else then we can just have a way of displaying this A. So else if it is not null, then display A. So when you save this, when you run this, now you can see A is 100 now. Okay, now aside from doing this, you can see with this simple thing that we are doing here, we are wasting a lot of time here, and you can see the codes are too many. And from the C# version 8.0, the team added this coalescing assignment operator, and it is almost just a one line of code. So let's see. Let me uncomment this. Control K and U. Now I can set this here. Okay. So this is what I'm saying. Now int b equal to null. So we initialize b to null. Then is b null? If b is null, set the value to 0. If b is null, set the value to 0. So b is null now, right? If b is null, set the value to 0. Display the b. Now let's run this and let's see. So you see b is 0. Now let's set b to 200. Let's save this and let's run this. So we see we have b as 200. So if you compare this statement, this two line of code to this lines of code, which one is much more easier? Then we'll go for this one by using the null coalescing operator. Yep, and that is the reason why it was introduced in C# version 8.0. So if you ever want to check with null and assign value or return a value, you can use this coalescing operator, and it is efficient and effective as well. So that is it for this video. So I've introduced you to that's a null coalescing operator, and you can use it to assign. Instead of using the if else to check, you can use this double quotation marks to check. You can return the value, or you can assign a value to the variable if in case it is not what you want. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to catch you up in the next video.